Okay, good afternoon to all present here. Again, this is kind of awareness presentation. You all know what is sustainable development, and being an engineer, your duty becomes very important because you have to design so many things and keeping in mind the future aspects. That is the basic meaning of sustainable development, right? So today we are going to present some facts, which is the research is already in pipeline and progress is going on. But biodiesel is the planning or the thing which should be like definitely progressing by and continuously. So what is first? Let us see what is biodiesel. Can you define it? Anyone? Yeah.
It is a diesel produced by the plants, specific plants, and taking out their resins and all. We are mixing and some chemical reaction and diesel.
Okay. Fine. What else? What does the term bio mean? The term bio includes all the living organisms, whether it is derived from plants or animals, right? So we are trying to develop the kind of fuel which is derived from plant and animal product, and naturally since they are I mean to say they are derived from vital animals, then I mean to say vital organisms, naturally they are less harmful. So biodiesel refers to the vegetable oil or animal fat-based diesel fuel consisting of long-chain alkyl, you all know that ethyl, methyl and propyl esters. Basically they are the esters. So we use here animal fat, and by the process of acidification we convert them into some kind of fuel which is definitely and naturally harmless, right? Next, getting oil from sunflower oil or soybean, it is they are animal oil. So we cannot use them for producing what? Biodiesel. But on the other hand, the jatropha oil is very poisonous, so you cannot use it for your consumption. And that is why another way, that is you can prepare biodiesel from it, and that could be used. So the major goal of jatropha cultivation is performed for the sake of extracting jatropha oil, which will be later on used for preparation of biodiesel. Next. In villages also we are using kachi ghani ka tel. Have you ever heard about that? So we use manual press as well as the oil press. So most commonly the press which we are using is Wallenberg gram press, which accesses the oil from the seed very efficiently. These are the presses, these are the mechanical technical presses. Hand presses, manual presses are also applicable. The Wallenberg gram press involves the traditional press method to extract oil and prepares oil cakes as well as soaps. Next. Biodiesel category, here is a comparative study presented for your perusal. So diesel, you all know these properties: flash point, fire point, flow point, viscosity should be appropriate, viscosity index should be depending upon the conditions, flash and fire point should be depending upon again what is the requirement of your machine. So here the comparative study is given that diesel is having this much of flash point, fire point, jatropha oil. You just go through the data which is present. If you want, we can give you. So comparatively, what you can you find that the fire point, if I take an example of flash point, diesel is having flash point 65 degree, jatropha oil is 214 and biodiesel is 128. Now see, we are producing biodiesel from what? Jatropha oil. So jatropha oil is having very much high flash point. But when it gets converted into biodiesel, the flash point goes down. So diesel, since it is a fuel, it should have minimum flash point or appropriate flash point. So you can compare that diesel has 65, that is 128 degree. If I talk about this viscosity index, that is 98 and 154. Now 154 is very much, I mean to say, high value of viscosity index. That means it is more reliable. So you can conclude that as compared to diesel, that biodiesel is more reliable. So at some of the points you are getting better parts in the diesel, and some of the points at the part of the biodiesel. Okay, next. Is it over? Okay, you all know what is the need of, initially I have that you should keep in mind the sustainable development. Being engineer, your duty is what? You have gone through one more subject, that is SSS, that is you should have professional ethics. Whatever you are producing being engineer, it should be kept in mind that it should not harm the nature. कि नेचर को कोई भी तरह से नुकसान, जो भी प्रोडक्ट आप बनाएं, तो आपको बॉम्ब बनाना है कि आपको कोई प्रोडक्टिव चीज़ बनाना है, that is all up to you. You should have the professional ethics, and एंड दैट इज द पॉइंट कि कंजम्पशन जो बढ़ रहा है, इन ऑर्डर टू मीट द इंक्रीजिंग डिमांड ऑफ द इंक्रीजिंग पॉपुलेशन, यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट सम ऑल्टरनेटिव, एंड दैट इज बायोडीजल इज द बेस्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव विच हार्म्स environment very less, to be very less extreme. Health issues are obviously there because benzene is very good fuel, but we cannot use it as a fuel because it is highly carcinogenic. बेंजीन एक बहुत अच्छा फ्यूल है, पर हम कहीं पे भी बेंजीन को एज अ फ्यूल यूज़ नहीं कर पाते बिकॉज इट इज़ हाईली कैंसरियस, कैंसर कॉज करता है. सो प्रॉस एंड कॉन्स हैज टू बी कैलकुलेटेड. एक आपके लिए कंपैरिजन है कि बहुत सारे हमारे पास वो है बायो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, मतलब एनिमल से हमने ऑयल बनाया है या वेजिटेबल से. तो रेपसीड ऑयल जो है उससे बता रहा है कि इसका जो परफॉर्मेंस है दैट इज़ 91%, बायो इथेनॉल performance is 66%, but Jatropha oil it is having 96%. ये clear नहीं है थोड़ा सा. That is 96. Its performance rate is 96%, and biomethane it is again 140%. Very very high, but it is very difficult to get because biomethane बनाने के लिए आपको एक पूरा मार्शी एरिया बनाना पड़ेगा. वहाँ पे सारे बायो प्रोडक्ट्स को सड़ने पड़ेंगे. वो मार्शी एरिया में से मार्श गैस बनेगा. Then you have to have variety of methods to collect that. तो है तो ये, और वो बायोमीथेन हमारे पास जैसे निकल रहा है जो नेचुरल गैस इज व्हाट काइंड ऑफ बायोमीथेन. सो दैट ऑब्वियसली इट इज गुड परफॉर्मेंस. कीपिंग इन माइंड द एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट, कीपिंग इन माइंड इंजीनियर होने के नाते आपकी क्या एथिकल प्रोफेशनल एथिक्स होने चाहिए. You should produce such kind of products which should not harm the environment. This is the basic meaning. Here the conclusion, the biodiesel which we have produced because from Jatropha oil, there are n number of methods by which you can produce biodiesel, but this method Jatropha oil we are using because it is, I mean to say, for the human consumption it is not fit. Oil as such is not fit for human consumption. That is why we have gone to the another alternative by producing, we are converting it into biodiesel. Biodiesel को आप खाने, that Jatropha oil को आप खाने भी यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. आप कॉटन सीड ऑयल को यूज़ कर सकते हैं, आप राइस हस्क ऑयल को यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट जैट्रोफा ऑयल इज़ नॉट एट ऑल एडिबल, एंड दैट इज़ वाई आपको ये ऑप्शन है कि एडिबल ऑयल नहीं है, उसके लिए आप क्या कर लीजिए ऑल्टरनेटिव. दैट इज मोस्ट हैपनिंग टॉपिक ऑफ रिसर्च. दिस इज द साइकिल. We are using any kind of seed. Seed gives you two. It can be used in two ways. It could be either used to produce saplings, or oil can be extracted. इस oil से फिर आप क्या बना लीजिए, बायोडीजल बना लीजिए. And small number of seeds से आप क्या बना लेंगे, trees बना लेंगे, plants बना लेंगे. Then again large quantity of seed मिलेगी. तो so this cycle keeps on going. Thank you for being patient listeners. If you have any question, you can ask. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, फ्यूचर में आप इसके ऊपर फोकस करिएगा. बहुत रिसर्च चल रही है जैट्रोफा ऑयल पे. द ओनली थिंग इज इसका जो पॉइजनस साइड है उसको हम प्रोडक्ट्स को कहाँ डिस्पोज करें, दैट इज़ द मैटर ऑफ स्टडी और रिसर्च. ये चल रहा है. सो सून विल बी गेटिंग लाइक ओवरकम दिस सिचुएशन ऑल्सो. जब हमारे पास हमको एटम बम्स के साइड इफेक्ट्स को जब हम कर सकते हैं तो वाई नॉट दिस बाय प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ जैट्रोफा ऑयल कैन बी कंट्रोल्ड. आ गया सबको समझ में. एक वेजिटेशन है जिससे हमने ऑयल बनाया है डीजल, क्योंकि वो खाने लायक नहीं. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट. ठीक.